The overarching idea is the art of reciprocity, I guess, give and take, and that, we receive so much from the earth and to give back and have a stewardship relationship. I'm creating a drumming log for the ruffed grouse, and I have several variations of nests that will be installed in trees and on the ground in the nature sanctuary. One of the things I enjoy about these nest structures is that when you first encounter them, you might think that they were built by an animal, and that you would have this, moment of curiosity, and so that interests me about it. I am Sean Conatee, and the name of the project is The Art of Reciprocity, in partnership with Grand Marais Art Colony and Sugarloaf Cove Nature Center. They're ephemeral, it's all natural materials, and so it will be reincorporated into nature over time. And, they may last a year maybe. We'll see.
The Slice from WDSE WRPT.